Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sauce oats. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Also, have ready 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, plus a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure you have a small saucepan and a whisk on hand for the cooking process. This recipe is quick and satisfying. Now, let's start by making our roux, which is the base for our creamy sauce. Begin by melting 1 tablespoon of butter in your saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Whisk these 2 ingredients together continuously for about 1 minute. You're looking for a smooth, light paste to form, which will help thicken our oats beautifully. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Gradually pour 1 cup of milk into the saucepan, whisking constantly as you do so. This continuous whisking is key to preventing any lumps and ensuring a perfectly smooth sauce. Keep whisking until the mixture begins to thicken slightly. Then, stir in your 1/2 cup of rolled oats, making sure they are completely submerged in the liquid. Finally, bring your white sauce oats to a gentle simmer. Continue stirring occasionally for about 3 to 5 minutes. During this time, the oats will cook through and absorb the creamy sauce, thickening to your desired consistency. Once the oats are tender, season them with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Serve your warm, comforting white sauce oats immediately and enjoy this delightful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.